Welcome back everybody, it's MYD and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Sigma 30mm f1.4 lens for the Nikon Z30, and this lens is used for Z mounts as well. So let's get started. So right off the bat, you get a 4-year USA warranty. I think you just have to register. You get like the warranty, again, like all the information about your warranty for the lens. You get a little pamphlet describing like what the new lenses are. And I think this is like a user's manual. Yeah, this is a user's manual. And then, oh, you get a warranty sticker. Pretty awesome warranty sticker. Now for the moment of truth. Opening up the lens. So you get the lens itself, and then you get this like sunshade cap. Let's open that up first. So here's the sunshade cap. Set aside. Open up the lens itself. Very nice. Alright, so that was the unboxing. What I'm gonna do now is do a little bit of test footage with the new lens. I'm just gonna put some things right here on my table and do some test footage from up close. So let's get to it. So now this is with the 30mm lens. As you can see, things are a lot sharper. There's a greater depth of field. I'm gonna bring it up close. There's just that much greater depth of field. I put it back. The autofocus is pretty quick. So I'll bring this up here close. The focus is about right there. If I want to bring it closer, I think this would be great if you're doing some close-ups of products. It'll focus back and forth. All right, so I'm just gonna bring up these things from this distance, and I'm just gonna see how it is if I bring it up close. As you can see back here, it creates a nice shallow depth of field. And once I put it back, it focuses right back again on there, which is pretty great.
Well, that wraps it up for this video, guys. I'm very excited to try this lens out in the real world. If you'd like to see more content, please remember to subscribe and let me know your thoughts in the description below. I'll see you on the next one.